1866 with the establishment of Darul Uloom Dewan, becoming a Maulana Rashid Ahmed Gangohi. Education was central to this movement, with Darul Uloom Dewan becoming a hub for traditional Islamic knowledge. The scholars trained here not only to spread Islamic teachings worldwide, but also promoted social society and moral integrity. The Dewan scholars were also active in resisting British colonialism. Today, the legacy of Dewan lives on, inspiring countless institutions and individuals to preserve, propagate the essence of Islam. May we learn from their dedication and strive to embody this principle in our own lives. Jazakumullah.